Learn the secrets to achieving a flawless makeup look in this step-by-step tutorial for makeup beginners. This easy to follow guide on applying foundation, eyeshadow, and lipstick will help you master the basics and elevate your beauty game. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more beauty tips and tutorials every week. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to apply foundation, eyeshadow and lipstick so that you can rock a flawless makeup look every time. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of more amazing beauty tips. Step 1. Applying foundation. Start with a clean, moisturized face to ensure your foundation goes on smoothly. Good. Look for a good foundation, and this is one of them. So you apply just little and make sure that the foundation you're using is your skin shade. Okay, so you start to blend. Seems I applied much, but not to worry, you have to blend it out. This is where the work is. Make sure you blend. So now let us apply our eyeshadow. Now here, before you apply your eye colors, you have to prime. Use your eye primer, and here I have classic product. This is classic eye primer. So you use your brush, blending brush, just take a little, then you apply on your lid, on your eyelid. You apply. This helps the colors to stay long and comes out beautiful when you apply them. So when you are done, so it now depends. Now actually this, I'm just going out, I'm going to my workplace, so I need something simple. So because of that, I don't really need the loud eye colors, so I have to use just a mild one, but that will look very nice on me. So I'm using this palette. This is Tara. I've been using it for so long. So these are the colors. So I'm going to use this for the crease. This for the crease. This is the crease. I'll just apply evenly. Just everything about makeup is blending. You have to learn how to blend. Make sure everything sits well. So I don't really need much, just very little. A gold color just at the upper lid. Then use the darker one to blend it out. So that is it. We will be using a pencil eyeliner for beginners. Actually, we have gel eyeliner, we have retractable eyeliner, but for today, for this class, we'll be using a pencil eyeliner. So what do we have to do? Now, you have to stretch a little bit of your eyes. You know, you do something like this, then you trace it out. You have to be careful when doing this. So when you are through with the upper lid. Now the down lid, you pull your eyes a little bit down, then you trace it. Just trace it with the eye pencil. Gradually. So for our lip, we first of all use our lip pencil. This one is classic lip pencil. So use it to trace out your lip. So this is like a wine color. You can use wine, you can use brown. Depends on what you want. Just trace it out. So next, you apply your lipstick or lip gloss. If you don't want to make use of your lipstick, you can just use your lip gloss on it and you are good to go. But let me just add a little of this red lipstick from Zikel, the Zikel product. So just a little. Wow. So I can decide to apply my gloss on it, or I can also go out like this. So see, very simple. So now I want to apply my powder. So use my brush and apply. This is the final look of what we just did. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your favorite makeup tips and don't forget to subscribe for more content every week.